what is demonstrated by DepEd's emphasis on learning and assessment for percentage contribution to the grade of students in grades 1 to 10. Ano daw po yung may emphasis? Okay, what is given emphasis sa grades 1 to 10? Would this be letter A, more importance for performance tasks? Letter B, more stress on student discipline? Letter C, written work, more value for written work? Or letter D, more stress on leadership? More stress or more importance, more value for performance task. Diba? Kung ating pong babalikan, no? So ito po yung ating performance task. Siya po lagi yung may pinakamataas na percentage. Okay? Sa science and math, no? Kung hindi po napapansin, sa science and math, parehas po, 40% po sila ng written work and performance task. And of course, 20% sa quarterly assessment. Sa ating po MAPE and EPP, TLE, no? Sa mga performance-based na subjects na itatanong po yan ng LET, okay? Usually MAPE at TLE. Yung tinatanong niya, 60% po, no? Pinakamalaki yung percentage ng ating performance task. Ang natitirang 40% ay nahati sa ating written work and quarterly assessment. While for other languages, no, we have 50% for performance tasks, 30% for written work, and 20% sa ating pong quarterly assessment. Kung niyo po napapansin, no, steady lang po yung ating quarterly assessment na 20%.